Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Mass is amount of substance in the body. Element is pure substance with fixed physical and chemical properties. Smallest particle is shown by atom. Compound is pure substance with fixed physical and chemical properties. Smallest particle is shown by molecule. Cohesive force is the force of attraction between the two particles. Element and compound distinguish. The smallest particle of an element is shown by atom. Atom is shown by symbol. Compound. Smallest particle of compound is shown by molecule. Molecule is shown by formula. In elements, all atoms are similar. In compound, atoms, two or different kinds are taken. Pure substance. Pure substance have same fixed physical or chemical properties. Pure substance can be shown by symbol or formula. Mixtures do not have fixed physical and chemical properties. Mixtures cannot be shown by symbol or formula. Atom. Atom is the smallest particle of element. Molecule is the smallest particle of compound. Atom is shown by symbol. Molecule is shown by formula. Solid. Solid and fluid. Solid. Interparticle space in solid is minimum. Interparticle force of attraction in solid is maximum. Interparticle space in liquid is medium. Interparticle force of attraction in liquid is medium. Liquid and gas. Interparticle space in liquid is medium. Interparticle force of attraction in liquid is medium. Interparticle space in gas is maximum. Interparticle force of attraction in gas is minimum.